our resident elf. It is the one and only Hanukkah Javi. Because usually he's holiday Javi, but while the holiday's still going on, we got him. So what you got for us today?
Well, who doesn't like getting holiday cards? I mean, it's a good way to keep in touch with people. You put them up around your house, and these are for a good cause.
Yes.
So,
Thank you, Javi. Thank you so much.
Yep.
So, those are cool, though.
These are. So these gems come from the Chicago Lighthouse for the Blind or the Visually Impaired. They are gorgeous Braille holiday greeting cards, and they're not just for people who live with vision impairment. They were designed specifically for the Lighthouse by local artist Elisa Singer, and they celebrate Braille as both a language and as an art form.
And the best part about these cards is 100% of the sales will support the Lighthouse's services for people who are blind or visually impaired. And the cards are creating jobs. And they're all sorted and they're packaged by people with visual disabilities, including several members of the Lighthouse Industries program.
This is cool.
I know, I think I remember seeing that. And remember, we were really impressed by those last year. How cool
yeah,
they are.
I love
the holiday
these.
cards and cards for other occasions are available for purchase right now online and by calling the Chicago Lighthouse for people who are visually or who are blind or visually impaired. All you have to do is head to chicagolighthouse.org for more information, or you can call right there. See that number, 312-997-3683.